Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the question, does everyone need to have insurance to enter Thailand? This is to enter Thailand, to gain admission to Thailand. For those who are unaware, there have been insurance requirements in place ever since Thailand reopened, going back into summer of 2020. This has been a requirement associated with entry so as to mitigate any public health costs to the kingdom that could be borne by foreigners entering the kingdom, getting sick, and essentially costing money. So they want folks to be insured when they come in. And then the question becomes, well, does everybody still have to meet that requirement? And I thought of this when reading a recent article from the Pattaya Mail, pattayamail.com. Article is titled 6 Frequently Asked Thai Immigration Questions in May 2022. Quoting directly, do all foreigners need medical insurance to enter? Quoting further, under Thailand Pass, they all, except work permit holders, need a minimum cover of $10,000 to cover hospitalization in case they catch COVID. This requirement also covers foreigners returning with a re-entry permit authorized before they left Thailand. Yeah, to be clear, there was some misconceptions out there that like, oh, I got a re-entry permit, I can just come back in. Yeah, the re-entry permit preserves the visa, the underlying visa status. It doesn't have anything to do with these present requirements that are the source law for these present requirements are the emergency decree. So as long as that's still in force, you're still dealing with this unless they change some of the regulations under that decree. Quoting further, foreigners applying for some specific visas from Thai embassies abroad need additional insurance coverage. These visas needing extra insurance currently are the 9-month special tourist visa, STV, and 3 visas based on retirement for those aged over 50, OX, 10 years, O, 3 months, and OA, 12 months. The details are on Thai embassy websites. Yeah, and it's the availability of the differing retirement visas is going to be, well, it's going to depending on the country, the host country where that Thai embassy is at. It may or may not be possible to get, for example, an OX 10-year visa while abroad. It may also not be possible to get an O 3-month visa, depending on which country you're in. So that's going to be country specific. But the thing to take away from this video, for now, again, with the exception noted of certain work permit holders here in Thailand, every other foreigner that's looking to come into Thailand, yes, presently there remains an insurance requirement to be able to gain admission to the Kingdom of Thailand.